Hey guys, so today's video was back in another video. Been a while, so we're gonna do what's inside here. I have not looked inside of here for so long. So yeah. So we're gonna open it. First thing I see is this. So we're gonna pull out this. Oh, I guess it's one of these squishy things. Yeah, so here's one of these squishy things. Okay. Oh, and my LOL dolls. I've been looking for these. So I got this, a baby sister one. Wait, which goes here. I forgot its name, so yeah. Alright, another LOL doll. I forgot her name too. So if you know the name, comment down below. Okay. Okay. This one right here. I know the name to this one. I've actually recently got this, so I just put it to the side so I can show y'all. This is called Hoops. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I see a squishy. So I had this squishy for a long time. So this right here is breaking off, and I see like a glitter. If I could focus on this glitter, and I remember I was trying to fix it with glitter glue, but that didn't happen. So it's still slow rising. I don't play this one much often. I didn't even know I had this one till now. So yeah. Okay, the next one. It's going to be this one. It's a lemon. This one I love. Oh my god, that smells so good. Okay, so there is some weird things in here, like what I'm seeing from here. Oh, I saw squishy in there. So here's the lemon squishy. Strawberry squishy. What fact about me? My favorite my favorite fruit is actually a strawberry. So here is some. I mean, it's kind of slow rising, but yeah. So, okay. So this right here is a Coca-Cola book. We went to Coca-Cola World like 4 years ago, so yeah, I don't remember any of this. Okay. This one was recent. Smells like blue raspberry. Like a dinosaur. And we got it from Chicago. Well, I didn't go to Chicago. My sister went to Chicago. So, yeah. Next thing. Oh, okay, so this one is a stress ball. But it actually has instant snow in it, and I have like 4 of them downstairs. So here is this one. I actually had 3 of them, but now I have the 4th one. Yay! Okay. Here's this one. Okay. This. Why is this in here? Oh, I have a good idea. Wait a second. This right here. There's umbrella. Give me for the baby. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that was a random item in there. Fidget spinner. Fidget spinners are not new. I have a couple of fidget spinners just laying around my room and all I'm staying to win. Okay. Panda Squishy. Where did I get it? This is going to be a real store where you get it. Forever 21. Yeah, I got 2 shirts from Forever 21. And I found this squishy for $127. And it's very, very slow rising. Hey, Minecraft. Okay. Alright, this is a Minecraft. Comment down below if it's a creeper or no, because... Can you please focus? No, I won't focus. Hey! So, I actually saw the Oscar Mobile about 2 months ago. How this whistle. Sorry about that one that had the headphones in. Yeah, I think I just blew your end out, but... Hey. Monster High. Who cares about Monster High? Monster High. Who cares about Monster High? Squishy. I love Squishy. So this one, it's they messed up really bad on the Squishy. Did you know why? Do you notice something? There's 2 tongues. See, look. 1 and 2. I think they messed up, but this is a Shopkin. Oh, okay, man. I know someone Shopkin lip on now. I don't. So don't sing Shopkin linking you. Okay. Monster High. Who cares about Monster High? Yeah, my fans hate Monster High pies. Yeah. Okay, so a koala. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but comment down below what this is supposed to be. It's stretchy. Okay, well, let me give it an up close for you. So yeah, this right here. Sorry. Okay. This is just gonna okay, so this could actually be for the baby. The baby. The baby. Wait, hold on. What bend? To be fair, the baby's head pops off. So, what does it? I'll get it later. Why did I even do that? Okay. That's all that was in here. Only thing that's in here is this. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn it to red to gray, and turn on my push notification because you will be the first person to click on it. So if you want to be shout out in the next video, comment down below #Slime Squad, and I'll know you're part of the notification squad. So bye.